APVI, the stock that the town is cheering on when it debuted kanina sa PSE. The stock was priced at around 10 pesos 10 cents lang, and yet it opened at 40 pesos, which is around 400% already. During the trading hour, we saw it rallied up to 1,200% nung umabot ang presyuhan niya to 240 pesos. Until bumigay nga lang siya ito sa dulo when it closed at around 18 pesos. I tried to post that news kaninang umaga dahil I didn't have an idea na merong pa LDI na magaganap until I saw it sa Twitter. There are several ways for a stock to enter the stock market. Merrimart, for example, shows the IPO track, while eto namang si APVI, they chose LBI, or listing by way of introduction, after siyang ibigay as property dividend ni RLC last year. And on this type of entry, suspended ang threshold, which means walang floor at ceiling prices on the first day. Kaya kung napansin niyo, umabot ng more than 1,000% kanina. So congrats sa mga kumita, and I'm really sorry na lang doon sa mga naipit. Medyo mabigat din yan ha. Well, enough of that. Today, we'll talk about two stocks once again, and those are ICT and JFC. Hello everyone, Stock Silog here again with the chart of the day, where we review your requested stock. Dito, pag-uusapan natin hindi lang ang technical aspect ng company, but most importantly, pag-uusapan natin ang fundamentals. At the same time, I'll share kung anong guidance ang pwede natin i-apply sa stock. Holder ka man or nag-aabang lang. Let's start with ICT. ICTSI is an international operator of container terminals that cater to global container shipping industry. Its business mainly revolves around the operation, management, development, and acquisition of container terminals. As we can see here dito sa earnings analysis ng COL Financial, makikita natin na yung first quarter ng ICT fell below the forecast after it posted a 17.7% decline noong Q1. Primarily dahil na rin to sa COVID-19 issue, wherein international travels and cargo shipping are also affected. Despite the decline this Q1, we are still anticipating a even worse Q2. I just hope na hindi naman siya ganun kababa, pero we'll see how it looks like in terms of the numbers when the financial report is finally released. Way back in May 8, 2020, Call had a hold rating kay ICT with a fair value na 96.80. And yung current price niya at that time was around 82 pesos lamang. Pero looking at the price today, we can see na umabot na yung presyo ni ICT sa 101.20 cents, which is above na ng fair price na binigay ni COL. Talking about the charting, we can see na ICT is doing well bago magsara yung taon last year. And then because of COVID, nakita natin yung medyo steep na pag-decline niya. The good thing though is that end of March, nag-uumpisa yung kanyang pag-rally pataas na umabot pa ito up to 107 pesos. And then just recently mapapansin natin na it's now forming a sideways move. In terms of guidance naman, kung halimbawang wala pa akong hawak na ICT, then most likely ang gagawin ko is mag-aantay na lang muna ako. Hintayin ko kung ano yung mga pwedeng galawan ng ICT in the next couple of days. Kung mapapansin natin, no, itong 97.90 or around 98 pesos doing a strong support para sa stock. So maghihintay ako, hopefully na mag-bounce back ito coming from that price point as well. Now, kung meron naman akong hawak na ICT, then again, depende ito kung saan kayo nakabili. Let's say for example, nasa baba pa kayo, then I would just do the same thing. I'll wait out kung anong mga pwedeng galawan ng ICT in the next couple of days, as long as ma-maintain lang itong support line 98 peso. Pwede nyo na rin siyang gamitin as your cut loss point. In terms of target price, then we can squeeze in itong 108 or even itong MA200 na nasa around 110 pesos. Pero on a longer term, we can see another resistance dito sa part ng 126 or 125 to 126 pesos. So that's another potential target. That's my take on ICT. Now let's move on to Jollibee. Jollibee Food Corporation or JFC is the largest and leading quick service restaurant in the Philippines. Closing in 2018, there are more than 1,100 stores na in the Philippines alone. As I have mentioned, Jollibee is the largest quick service restaurant in the Philippines. Actually, hindi lang naman Jollibee ang hawak niya. They also own the brands such as Greenwich, Chowking, hindi ko alam kung ano to, Red Ribbon, ito rin hindi ko alam kung ano to, Mang Inasal, Burger King, Dunkin' Donuts, Highlands Coffee, Pho24, Smash Burger, and yung recent acquisition nga nila which is Coffee Bean. RCBC Securities have a hold recommendation or hold rating kay JFC with a potential target price of 149 pesos. Mainly dahil na rin sa effect ng COVID-19 where we all know na although open ang Jollibee for takeout or delivery, close pa rin ito sa dine-in. And dito nagsasuffer ang ibang mga investors, especially doon sa mga franchise owners dahil kahit na close sila, they still have to pay yung monthly leasing ng mga franchise stores nila. When it comes to technical naman, I think we have already looked at JFC in the past couple of weeks, no? And that is when we have identified etong support 1, 2, resistance 1, and resistance 2. If I still recall, we are looking at resistance 2 at that time. And then fast forward this past few days, nakita natin na na-surpass na si R2 pero hindi pa rin si R1 wherein reject na naman yung price point neto from 150 pesos. And now siguro I think more than 4 days nang nagne-negative si JFC. The good thing here is that despite the somewhat bearish movement, I can still say na itong previously resistance na naging support na ngayon will still be strong. Historically, we can see na at this part here, itong R2 is doing a really good support. Hanggang nga lang sa mabasag siya. Pero this time, I think it will still hold true considering na even yung MA50 is doing a really good support doon sa area na yun. In terms of guidance naman, kung halimbawang wala pa akong hawak na JFC, then most likely I will just wait it out. Hihintayin ko na kung ano ang mangyayari dito sa support na to. And then, I'll try to arrange a potential entry price once na nag-bounce dito sa support. Kung meron naman kayong hawak na JFC, I hope na medyo nakakuha kayo sa baba, ano? If so, then a potential cut loss price pa rin itong support line na 135. And then a target price could be set at around 180 pesos. So ayun, those are my take on ICT and JFC. By the way, I'd like to invite you on Saturday, June 27. Magkakaroon tayo ng live weekend review ng mga paborito ninyong stocks. Kakaiba ang session na to compared sa ibang webinar or video na napapanood nyo online na halos puro technical lang. Just like what we did last weekend, pag-uusapan natin how to review a stock, both fundamental and technical. I'll post the link sa event description box below for your reference. Kung meron kayong mga stock request na gusto ninyong reviewin ko, comment nyo lang below or message me directly. I'll do my best to review them for you. If you think that this video is helpful, please follow our social media accounts. Post ko yung mga links below. That helps us continue to deliver the videos and contents for free. That's it. Once again, this is Toxilog. See you on the next video.